Hi, folks. John Tobis here. I want to talk to you about one of the easiest ciphers for Division A to generate a question for, and that is the PigPen or Masonic cipher. Um, there really isn't a lot of variability in it. In this particular case, I went ahead and let the test builder give us a sample quote. You want something that's about 40 to 50 characters. The only variance of difficulty, and it's not much of variance, is how many unique letters. In fact, if you want to find out how many unique letters there are in a quote, you could click on the suggest points, and it actually tells you there's 15 unique letters, 44 characters in the quote. So that tells you what it is, but again, the amount of difficulty is really in the number of letters, not really the number of different letters. So in this particular case, we've got ourselves a quote. There's not a lot of options for you to set. In fact, there's no real options on here. So we're going to go ahead and let the tools suggest the question text, right? Good quote. And we're going to let it suggest the number of points. As you can see, that was a way we can see how many unique. It says 68 points, 44 unique, 44 characters, 15 unique. So we will do that. And with that, we have successfully set our question up. I hope you have a wonderful day.